So, ladies and gents, just welcome back to we're talking about electric brakes and towing setups, and we've been gracefully allowed to be able to work on a gentleman's vehicle here, which has been a great client of ours. And he's got himself a new Range Rover Sport, which in the marketplace is something that is coming through. Great tow vehicles, got some very good electronics in it and some great safety features. But as we go, we want to make sure that we're doing the right thing in a vehicle like this and making it nice and neat and tidy. So as I speak, I just want to go through and throw some of the things out there, and I'll probably get Matt to throw some sort of inserts in this here. But we've gone through, put electronic brakes in this. So we've got the Red Arc Tow Pro Elite. So we're able to work with the client and chat with him. And we've gone through and be able to make it nice and neat already in this area over here. So with that being nice and neat, still easy to get to, accessible, emergency braking and all that sort of things there. So you're still making sure that in the cockpit of this vehicle, it's still nice and tidy. Going through, we've actually had to put a charging circuit in for DC-DCs, fridge circuits, as well as ignition circuits for fridges and stuff like that. Gone through, put a 12-volt with an Anderson plug in here, and also we've got electric over hydraulic Anderson plug over here in the red here as well. This unit here does actually, in the Sports here, they come up and fold away. So it's nice and neat and tidy up in there. And then when you need them, you pull them out and come down and usable. So really nice, neat side of the vehicles to go from that there. Let's try to make sure we made everything accessible for this gentleman to try and get on the road, because it's one of those things that you don't want to make sure to get the back of this car about and get inside and trying to get in. It's quite a hard sector, but what we've physically done is been able to wire everything so we can still get into everything at the back here. There's the fuses and everything like that. Be able to put our mini fuses in there for the grey Anderson plug, our fridging circuits, also the red plug. But we'll get through, get some good photos of what we're going to do. We just want to thank our client for letting us be able to get into this and being able to work with it. And it's been a great experience. And I know that some of the people around have the opportunity to get in to do these sort of things and work with these sort of vehicles. So guys, if you've got any European setups or anything like that you need to do on these sort of vehicles, something we're allowed to get to and get too excited about doing these sort of things. We don't shy away from it. So reach out to our team. Our technicians love to be a bit of a challenge, but make sure it works for our client. And we always want to make sure it looks its best at the end of it. Have a great day and I'll speak to you soon. Thank you.